check out our newest feature release. Now, those custom values are going to be previewable within your email builder. So, what are the custom value previews inside of the email builder? Well, this is really cool. With this latest enhancement in the email builder, you're now going to be able to preview email templates with filled in custom values, providing a more realistic view of how your email is going to look and appear to specific customers. How this is going to help you in your business and why it matters. You're now going to be able to easily visualize and understand the appearance of your emails when you're using custom values. This new feature is also going to help you streamline the testing process by allowing you to preview templates with various custom values. It's also going to allow you to choose specific contacts to preview, seeing how both standard and custom fields are going to display for that personalized and comprehensive view. So let me show you exactly where you're going to access this new feature update. First, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into email. In order to get there, you need to click on marketing in the left-hand main navigation menu. And when that upper navigation opens up, go ahead and click on emails. I want you to go ahead and use email templates. Now you're going to go ahead and click the plus new button and then go ahead and just select a blank template. Now you get to pick your editing experience, so you can choose the design editor or you can create a completely specific code-based email. Personally, I love the design editor. It's easy to use and it helps me get through things quickly. So I'm going to be inside of that easy to use area of the email system, and I'm going to first start with adding an element. So you can see this little plus icon in the upper left-hand screen of my screenshot here. I want you to go ahead and click that. From there, you're going to go ahead and choose an element, and you're going to drag and drop that element. Once you've done that, now you're going to be able to access the toolbar. Click on the element that you just added, and you're now going to find that that toolbar opens up at the top. From there, you're going to access the custom value button. It's the little icon that I can't even tell what it really looks like, but you can see it here on my screen, and while I'm hovering over it, you can see the custom values there. Now, once you've clicked on that custom value area, you're going to see this new screen open up. And go ahead and just select the custom value from the drop-down menu that you want to use. After adding that custom field for that custom value, you're going to be able to now see this image initially with just those custom values. But once you click on that special button, which I'm going to show you next, these are going to fill in so that you can really see that preview. So once you click the preview button, you're going to go ahead. That preview button is the kebab. It's the 3 dots that go up and down. And now you're going to be able to say what you want to see. After you click that, go ahead and just select preview template. And boom, now you can see the actual information as it's shown when your email readers actually see this. You can see what it looks like in this email sample below while I'm in that preview area. This is a really nice feature if those custom values kind of confuse you and you want to know exactly what they're going to look like. This is incredibly helpful. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. As always, let us know if you need any help at all.